Come here, Hayden. Don't climb that. Come here.
The cat.
Hayden.
Cats.
Hayden, don't touch. Get down. You were gonna fall. You wanna fall down and go boom? That's a long fall. I have to videotape every time they come over.
Don't videotape me.
I did. I didn't mean it.
Videotape me.
Don't you
Put it
dare.
back.
Put that back. You know he's into this shit of throwing stuff off the balconies. No.
Nothing comes out here, sweetie.
I have the same kind of...
That's the one you gave me.
Oh, okay. It don't fit. No. That does not come off the balcony.
Then I'll go catch it. I'll go.
You get your hair in a ponytail, Haley.
Yeah, she sat right there on the floor in front of me. Let me do it. Nope, that don't
No.
come out here. It stays in the house.
Put it in there. Hayden. You have a light. Hayden, now.
Yep, it stays closed. The buggies get in my house. Well, you can come out, but it can't stay open.
Come on out. Here you go. Come out. Let's close the door. We don't want buggies in the house.
The big bugs.
Mm-hmm.
Flies. Hey, you be quiet.
Hayden, don't you dare. Yeah, I see the bird. Don't you dare. Sit down. Sit down. You don't know what you're doing that. Hayden. I know the shit in my hand. I would drop it. Don't hold
Hey, did you see my bike?
Mm-hmm. You gotta keep it closed. Hayden, no. Come here. You go in or out. Amy wants her door closed. He's so good.
You're not supposed to be out here.
Yeah, you'll be at Clutter's probably, right? She look pretty in it. Looking for Harry. He said, Dad.
What and Haley were doing yesterday, Sean?
You were just doing that. They were just pushing.
Hayden.
Doesn't matter.
No. No. No, you're not doing that. No. What are you doing?
Looking down here.
I was done.
Come here, Hayden. Get away from there.
The cat's peed on that.
Ew, come here. It's yuck, yuck, yuck. Come here. Come here. You're going to get hurt. Let's go. Come on. Sean said come on. No.
Come on.
No. You're going to knock it over.
That's my bike.
Come on, we can get on. You want to get on it? You know how to get on? You know how to get on?
know how to get on this. You can see it. You can climb up right there. That's okay for me.
He's trying to get on. You're getting on backwards. You're getting on backwards. Uh-oh.
Watch me.
All right. Ready, Hayden? You want to get on? Come here. No. No. Jesus.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
That was bad.
I'll go get that.
Come here.
Uh-oh.
Come here.
No.
Uh-oh, no. Oh, no, Haley's got my soda.
Haley has your drink.
Go get it from her. He tells me instead of getting it. Oh my God, Amy.
Just grab it when you first roll it with.
Come here, Hayden. Come on, we gotta go in. Mommy got a floor to clean up. Come on, we'll come back out in a minute. Get in. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on, we gotta go in. Now. Bye. 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 Come on, we'll come back out. Come on, we'll come back out. Come on. Come on. Come on, where's Sean? Come here. Come on, where's Sean? Come on, you're here to play with Sean. Come on, get in. Come on in. No. Hey, do you want to go home? Then get in here. Now. I'm not playing games with you no more. That would have been different. If you won something.
Lost twice.
If you would have won, it would have been different.
Yeah, I lost $50 last night. And set about $70 last Wednesday.
Oh my. That's a lot. Did you have fun?
I had a ball.
Tom, it's all his fault because he wouldn't really talk to Michelle again.
Huh?
He wouldn't really talk to Michelle again, so it's all his fault.
I didn't tell him. I didn't tell him I went last night.
Ah.
Remember, I was like, well, I was up, she was up, we just took a ride. And then we put two and two together.
Uh-oh. We figured it out.
Him and Dave put two and two together and figured it out.
Because she wasn't home.
Well, her Dave didn't even know she went anywhere, but my Dave said something today.
Ah. You like your sliding board? You gotta share with them, throw him the ball. He'll throw it back to you if you tell him.
Sean, don't do that one.
Tell him to throw you the ball.
Throw the ball.
Hayden, you gotta throw the ball. Ow. How's your huggies?
Give him huggies and kissies. Give him huggies and kisses.
Yeah, give him kissy.
Hayden.
Give him kissy.
Give Parker kisses.
Aww.
Yeah.
Yeah. Parker's smiling. You give him huggy too. Aww. Where's mommy baby? Where's mommy baby? Where's mommy baby? She's like, they're all here. You gotta throw the ball. No screaming.
Oh,
Throw the ball, Hayden. He threw it in the kitchen. He's no effort. He goes out on the balcony and throws the ball. Throws the ball right down the steps. Like every single time we're leaving, he grabs a ball to throw down the steps. Hello. He's staring at it all cross-eyed.
Keep the ball away from the kitchen. Sean, don't throw it towards the kitchen anymore.
Hayden, knock it off. Come here. Hayden.
Now it's in there.
No more.
Don't you even go in. It's falling off.
There's Hayden.
Tries to hold on to it. The newer ones, they spin real fast, and he'll sit there and get going, and he goes back, and she sits there the whole way going like this.
Oh,
So
yeah,
she's
Paul. He wants to do it again.
That's the only reason why his mom put it in our box. So that she loves to sit and spin. Hey, no screaming. You know.
We're done.
That piglet. That piglet.
Yay!
Now you're doing it all by yourself. He put food on his slide. He does it at home. He puts everything down his slide.
Sean, don't. Hey. Come on, move.
He didn't like it. He's there.
Digger's going next.
She's putting him on the bike now.
Guess who's behind you? Whee! Boingy, 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 I got bounce in the door.
Oh no!
What?
He fell over. Ugh. I did not want to work for him. I went to the laundromat once, and I went to the laundromat this morning before I went, you know.